Aye, Dougie, it's hard going in the snow today. Aye, that is. I can't remember snow this deep. Aye, and it does get a wee bit boring, doesn't it? You know, I remember in Scotland when the snow lay deep and hard, and we were snow ploughing up on the highlands, and there was nary a soul near us, just us and the wild landscape. You know, Dougie, I feel a song coming out. Oh, losh sakes, no, not again. Oh, come on, Dougie, don't be a spile spurt. I was just thinking of maybe, I don't know, a wee rendition of On the Bonny Banks. You know, Dougie, you sing the low part real well. No, I am not singing, and that's final. Somebody might hear us. Oh, come on, Dougie, have a heart. No, that's final, and... Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early? You take the high road and I'll take the low road, and I'll get to Scotland before ya. But for me and my true love will never meet again on the bonny, bonny banks of Ploughing. Well, did you ever see the like? On the bonny, bonny banks of Ploughing. Oh, aye, Donald, you always did have a bra high tenor. Aye, Dougie, and you always had the sweetest baritone. You know, Donald, I miss Scotland. Aye, brother, that I do too. But you know, there's always tomorrow. We can always sing another round of, I know, how about the Bluebells of Scotland? Draw the sword, Scotland. Ah, held your wished. Hey, it was you who suggested it. Didn't I? Did too, didn't I? Oh,